Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at modeling an arithmetic sequence from a description. So let's begin. It says here to construct an explicit rule in function notation for the arithmetic sequence represented and use it to solve a problem. Justify and evaluate your answer. So we've got the rule for the explicit rules here. And what we want to do is take that and plug in the two things we need to know, the first term and the common difference. So Ruby signed up for a frequent flyer program, and she receives 3,400 frequent flyer miles for the first round trip she takes and 1,200 frequent flyer miles for each additional round trip she takes after that. How many frequent flyer miles will Ruby receive after 5 round trips? So the 3,400 represents the first term, and the 1,200 is going to represent the common difference because after the first one, it goes up 1,200 miles each time. So we're just going to plug both of those in to set up our formula. So we got f of n that's equal to the first term, 3,400, plus the common difference, 1,200, and we're going to multiply that times n minus 1, and that's our formula. All right, the next thing we're going to do is plug in the 5 for the plug in 5 for how many round trips she has so we can figure out how many miles she gets. So we're going to plug in f of 5, set that equal to 3,400 plus 1,200 times 5 minus 1. So that's going to leave us with 3,400 plus 1,200 and 5 minus 1, which is 4. Okay, and now we're going to have 3,400 plus 4,800. And finally, we're left with 8,200 for our total frequent flyer miles. So what does that mean in context? Well, oh, that doesn't look right. Let's do this. Pull this out. Awesome. All right, so after 5 round trips, Ruby will have 8,200 frequent flyer miles. So basically with a description, you want to interpret what's going to be your initial value, your first term, and then figure out how much does it increase or decrease. And if it decreases, you want to use you want to change the plus to negative there. Not this one. This one will always stay negative. But if it decreases, make sure when you plug in your difference, you're putting a minus in front of it. And that is modeling arithmetic sequence from a description. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.